Hello, good evening, friends. So today's market was bullish. After gap up, it sustained. Even it didn't, partially filled the gap, but it was overall sideways to bullish market. As we can see, last 15 minutes, Nifty especially moved from 22,752 almost up to 22,850, 100 points. Okay, yeah. So those who traded based on our chart, they will shout bingo. Yeah, tomorrow since bank Sensex expiry, so we'll see how it looks. Yeah, as you can the chart, this is a confluence influence chart. So I have put two charting because when it is in the lower frame based on today's market, the bigger one is from the earlier market and the usual trend. My suggest is this saffron zone. What you see is a resistance. So that level is something like 75,580, roughly you can say 75,600. So if the market opens above the 75,600, we will try to buy it from the lower side. Okay, so we consider it as has to be bullish. So from today's low, close and the low, we try to top up only, considering the bullish strategy. If it is below, opens below this uh, saffron arc, as you can see, saffron color is a good resistance. So still it will be a resistance. We try to short from there if it is just below, or if it is very below, then it will be a tricky, can be a bearish market. However, we think of shorting below 74,500. It is very far. However, I strongly recommend you to keep an eye on 74,500 PE, especially tomorrow. Okay, that is the one strike to watch for since our target. Also, it is better to keep an eye on 75,600. That is our the resistance if it is opens below, or it will be our support. That's why these two strikes you have to keep in mind: 75,500 600 CE and 74,500 PE. Then rest we all see what it happens. If it zooms, yes, we have very good target above. You can make a fresh high also. I would say above 76,200, 160 have quoted here. So 76,160 or 170 above, it is a blind buy, blind bullish. If it is opens, mega opens, that is roughly, you can say, almost 1,000 points. I don't think such big gap up will have open. So tomorrow we'll see how it happens, what it happens. Since it is last day of the weekend, it can be a trending. We'll keep an eye. So those who are trading a bank nifty, we are going to put the chart and the shorts. So kindly do subscribe, like and share. So briefly, Nifty Bank and the Nifty, I will show you the charting. I think it corresponds with the same with the Sensex. Okay. Here also we have made an arc. So for betterment, I will convert it into blue color. Yeah. So those who can difficultly make out. Yeah. So that is roughly, this is Bank Nifty, sorry, 49,600. Okay. Yeah. Now change it to blue color so that it will be 600 above that. If it opens, it will be bullish scenario. If it opens below, maybe sideways to negative. So for our reason, our target would be up to 47,930. It is way below, almost 2,000. Can it happen tomorrow? That we have to see. It can, if it breaches today's low. that is nothing but the 49,000. In fact, it has breached 49,000 two times. So something like you can say 48,900 below, it will be a good bearish scenario. We try to short it from there. We try to short it if the 49,023 is breached at all. So I'll mark it again, thicker one, and we get a very good shot. However, there is a small support at, please clear, maybe it is a kind of a reaction zone, you can say, that is 48,800. So those who are less aggressive, they can short below it. Okay, you can short below it. So for your this one, I will make it up to 727. Okay, fine, no confusion, I guess. Then coming to nifty, since it is a Sensex is expiry, we'll try to see that one only. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'll show you. Very network is very much poor, Geo, or the problem with our brokers chart 5 years, I don't know, both are waste fellows, pardon me. Okay, yeah, so this is we have already I have plotted the chart for the nifty. Same goes, same for nifty also. It will 22,850 only. We try to think of a bullish figure, that is today's close. I think that is the one strike you can watch for. That's what I can say. Or we can watch one more is blue color I am plotting. It's nothing but the top of the arc, 22, 920, 925. Okay, but today's chart is somewhat, though it is bullish, it is showed some weakness below today's consolidation. You can short actually. I would rather keep, it is against the trend, so shorting you should keep a small target. Going long higher, you can keep a bigger, because it's a chart is a bullish since last 2 days. Only on the result date cracked. After that, it has shown some strength, though today it was resilient. However, it held. That you should appreciate it. So anything can happen. We'll see it. We trade according to the chart, our plan. So one strike is, as I told, today's close 22,850, and one more strike is today's low 22,633. I would say 633 or 650. You can take it. I think in fact below that actually it becomes a shorting. However, we will short below 600. Okay, we will short below 600. Okay, so though I have given the target up to 411, we won't wait till that. We will book the short for roughly 50 to 70 points. That's it. Now we don't keep it along this thing. In fact, we may think of buying at the lower side if possible. We'll see it how it goes. Any updates, I will update you. Thank you for listening.